Greetings everyone, I'm Zach, CTO of the BreatheOps Practice Management Suite, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite an operator or practitioner to join your practice account. First, go ahead and log into your practice account on the login page. Next, click on the menu icon in the top right-hand corner, then select Departments. So you created one department when you first registered with BreatheOps, or if your account was imported, then it was created for you. If you're on the Growth or Pro subscription tiers, you have the ability to create more than one department, and if you are on the Starter subscription or free tier, then you're limited to just a single department. So what is a department, and in what cases would you need to create more than one? Each department has a distinct day sheet to maintain separate financial records for different parts of your practice. For example, if you have multiple doctors or therapists working in the same office and want to keep their financial data distinguished, private, and easy to analyze, you can achieve this by creating individual departments. Similarly, if you have more than one location and want to dedicate a day sheet for each, creating a department for each location will help keep everything well organized. This structure also helps to give the teams need-to-know access for each department in your practice. And the reason why I mention all of this is because when you invite an operator or practitioner to join your practice account, you must select which department they will be invited to. To do this, just click on the Invite New User button, add the invitee's email address, and then choose either the operator or practitioner role. At the time of recording this video, the only difference between an operator and a practitioner is that a practitioner has the ability to display their profile in the directory, while an operator does not. So if you're inviting a therapist or doctor to join your team, you would likely choose practitioner as you want them to have the ability to display their role in the directory. Last, select which department you want to invite them to, and then click Send Invite. Doing so will send an email to the invitee with instructions on how they can log into and set up their account. You have the ability to cancel the invitation on this page before they accept, as well as revoke their access to one or more departments that you have granted access to in the past. Once the invitation has been accepted, you should see the new team member appear in the Teams section of the dashboard. And in the future, we plan on adding features where you will be able to observe which learning modules each team member has completed, as well as the score of any quiz attached to each learning module, so you're informed about your team's continued education. And with that, you now know how to invite an operator or a practitioner to join your practice account. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for future BreatheOps tutorials.